Hey everyone! For today's fun Christmas video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cute Christmas puppy. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cute Christmas puppy, let's begin by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to draw an eye right over here. Next, I'm going to add a circle at the top of each eye, and then a smaller circle at the bottom of each eye. And then I'm just going to color right around here. Next, I'm going to make a line across, and then a line that goes down and up for the nose. For the mouth, we're going to draw a line that just goes down and up, and then down and up here. Next, I'm going to draw two lines that come down, and then a line that just goes over, and then we'll come down and up for the tongue, with a line down. And I'll just go ahead and color this part in of the mouth. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side. And I'll start the ears. I'm going to bring this line up to right about here. We'll do the same thing here. Then I'm going to bring this line up and down. And same thing here, kind of up at an angle and then down. Next, I'll draw a line that's just going to curve and come across. And then I'll make another line that does the exact same thing. And then down here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come over and up here. Next, I'm going to put some little antlers on our puppy. So I'm just going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to curve down. Get a little line that comes out here, one more, and then down. Same thing here, we're just going to come up. We're going to curve it around. Then we'll just make a couple little bumps on here, and bring it down. Now, let's put a little scarf on here. I'll draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come over and then up. And then we'll draw a little line that's going to go down, over, and then back up. Now, for the body, let's draw a line that's just going to come down here. And then right here, I'll make a little line that's going to come up and down. And one that's going to come up and down and just right over to here. I'll make a line that's going to come down, over, and then we'll curve it up for the paw. And then I'll bring it back up. Next, I'm going to bring this line right up to the scarf. And right here, I'm going to make a circle shape for the other paw, or more of like an oval. I'm going to make a line that goes over and down. And then we're just going to come down and straight across. I'll make another one that comes down, over, and up. And then I'm going to put a half circle here. And then an oval on each side. With a little curve in here. Then I'm going to draw two lines that come down. Next, for the tail, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then down here. Then on the paw, I'm just going to make a little curve line. Then I'll put a little two lines here, and then 2 little lines here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Christmas puppy. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.